welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make a stew peas. Now we're going to use two types of bean. We're going to use black bean and red kidney bean. Also pairing with it, we're going to use some tofu. And I think stew peas can't be stew peas unless you're going to have it with some nice fluffy white rice, guys. Stick around, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so over here we're going to pressure cook the peas, and I already add some coconut milk. What I'm going to go in with now is some Scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme. Didn't add anything to the coconut milk. I'm going to go in with some salt, as well as pimento berries. Make everything one cook out and thing, you know. Bay leaf, and we remove the bay leaf when we're finished. All right. And our beans. Our beans has been soaking overnight. To soak your beans, you can add a little bit of garlic in there, or a clove or two of garlic, you know. And I'm also going to go in with ginger, one teaspoon of green seasoning blend. And of course, this is just to pressure. When everything is pressure and cook and thing, we go in with more seasoning, all right? So while the peas is cooking, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and steam some rice. I forgot to tell you guys, I'm going to add like a half teaspoon of baking soda. This is just to release the gas in the peas, all right? So for those of us who really don't like to eat beans because of the excess gas that it gives off, the baking soda will help to eliminate some of that. Alright, so for the rice, we're just going to keep it simple here, guys. We're going to add a Scotch bonnet pepper, salt, and the 2 cups of rice. And we're using a basmati rice, alright? For the tofu here, we're just going to cut it in some small cubes. What I want to do is to season them and to like kind of sear them. I don't want to put them in the pot just as is, because you know I really don't like my tofu kind of mushy and soft. I don't like it. So but if you like it, go right ahead, just add salt and pepper. You can just add it to your stew, right? But because I like it to be firmer, I fried it a bit. All right, so I'm gonna go in with some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, and some salt. Before you fry it, if you decide to do it or you sear it, you can just let it rest for a little while to absorb the flavor. Alright? In the meantime, we're going to get our seasonings ready. For my stew peas, I like to chop up the seasonings as well, you know, so everything can be cooked out and, you know, the stew can have more flavors, as opposed to just cooking and then taking them out at the end. We have a Scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to use the skin of it, not the seed. We're going to chop it up. So the one that is cooking with the peas is just for flavor. Nobody will taste the actual heat of the pepper. For this one, they will taste a little bit of spice. Here I have a carrot. I already washed it and everything, so I'm not going to peel it. Guys, it's just totally up to you whether you want to peel your carrot or not. I just feel not to peel mine today, so I'm not going to do it. Let us take a look at the rice, and you can see I never come and touch it. I just allow it to just steam down, and you can notice how fluffy it is, right? That's what you're looking for, man. Yes, man. This is finished now, so we're going to take it off and start searing our tofu. Adding like a tablespoon of olive oil, if so much. Going to do the tofu. I want to see if I can get these very dry, guys. Okay, so with a cup of flour, going in with a pinch of salt, because this is to make our spinners, right? And you can use spelt flours to make your spinners, wheat flour, any flour you want to use, guys. Feel free to use it, alright? And you just want to add enough water to bring the dough together. I always say take your time and add water. If you're using water in anything, rice, needing a dough or anything, take a little bit at a time, because guess what, you can't take out the water when it go in there and spoil it, right? So it's better to add a little more than add too much at a time. So we're just gonna leave this to just relax for like 10 minutes or so, and then we come back. Alright, so I've transferred the peas to my pot here. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some of my seasoning, which include the carrot, garlic, scallion, and some of the onions. You're going to reserve some to touch it up a little later. Also going to go in with some coconut milk. So adding our spinners. So roll it into a ball and then just roll it in your hand to get that long look, right? Alright, our stew peas is just about ready now, guys, and I'm going to add in my tofu. Even though me eat out some already. No, sir. Comment below if you cook and eat out the food sometime. Because me hungry today, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going to add in the additional seasonings. Wow. Look at that. Nice pot of stew peas with tofu and spinach dumpling. Yes, man. Coconut milk. Oh my gosh. This is how it's supposed to look, guys. I'm telling you. There you have it, guys. Our nice stew peas with white rice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you give this recipe a try. Until next time, bye.